Because politicians sometimes are useless. We are useless sometimes because we think with our egos, not our brains. The things which is happening in our country today, you can even see that they are not using their brains, they are using their egos.
Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share your thoughts on what you think about this video at the end of the video, of course. A few days ago, I posted a video about the government being interested in the comeback of former President Edgar Lungu to active politics. Now, there were issues of the government looking into the matter, looking at the fact that Edgar Lungu might have benefited from taxpayers' resources as provided for in the Benefits of Former Presidents Act of 1993. There were also issues of the government looking into the issue of whether Mr. Lungu was receiving his retirement benefits during the period he had retired from active politics. Now, this follows his announcement he made of him returning to active politics. But in today's video, this issue gets more and more interesting as former President Edgar Lungu did file a petition before the Lusaka High Court to reinstate his benefits as former head of state following his public announcement that he has reverted to active politics. Now, the petition follows the granting of permission to file a petition during the Christmas vacation. The former president is seeking, among other remedies, compensation for the loss he suffered arising from the alleged unconstitutional withdrawal of the pension and other benefits as conferred on the Benefits of Former Presidents Act. Different people also share their reactions on this matter. For now, check out this clip. I will be right back.
Muye kuchawama request ero inena kulala ndapo every day kapokeni nkalata ku cabinet ile mwatwala titamuni mwa politics akuchula chule nifi isala chule nina ifwe tujoineni.
Now, the issue keeps getting more and more interesting as Edgar Lungu decides to challenge the state's decision to withdraw his benefits following his political comeback. Listen to this clip for more context as a cabinet journalist narrates the current situation on what's happening. I will be right back.
But it is back to square one in the courts of law as the former head of state is challenging the withdrawal of his benefits. This is after the Lusaka High Court permitted Mr. Lungu to file a petition during the Christmas vacation challenging the state's decision to withdraw his benefits following his political comeback, and his petition is seeking a declaration that the withdrawal of his pension and other benefits on November 1st, 2023 was discriminatory, unconstitutional, and illegal. The former head of state is also seeking an order declaring that Section 2 and 5(1)(b) of the Benefits of Former Presidents Amendment Act No. 21 of 1998 are unconstitutional and now void, to the extent that they are inconsistent with Articles 20, 21, and 23 of the Constitution of Zambia. Further, the former head of state is seeking an order to be compensated for the loss he suffered resulting from the alleged unconstitutional withdrawal of his pension and other benefits as conferred by the Benefits of Former Presidents Act. On Thursday, 15th December 2023, government, through the Attorney General, rejected the plea by former Republican President Edgar Lungu to have his benefits reinstated following his public announcement of returning to active politics. Attorney General Mulilo Kabesha cited Section 5(1) of the Benefits of Former President Act, Chapter 15 of the Laws of Zambia, which prohibits the payment of benefits to a former president who is engaged in active politics. According to his petition filed in the Lusaka High Court, Mr. Lungu wants an order directed to the Attorney General and the Secretary to Cabinet to reinstate the pension and other benefits unto him and order to assign him a furnished executive house built or bought in Zambia by the state at a place of his choice as required by Section 4A of the Benefits of Former Presidents Amendment Act No. 21 of 1998. The former president is also seeking an order to award him damages for the violation of his constitutional and fundamental human rights to freedom of expression, assembly and association, and not to be discriminated against on grounds among others of political opinion, and payments in form of interest on the amounts found due and cost incidental to the proceedings. Mr. Lungu also wants an order restraining the Attorney General by his agents, servants and employees from infringing his fundamental human rights and freedom. In the affidavit verifying petition before the court, the former head of state submits that his return to active politics is purely not to become president again, but to defend democracy.
As I said earlier, different people had different things to say about this issue, and Bowman Lusambo was one of those who commented on this issue. Here's a clip.
President Edigar Lungu is just claiming what belongs to him. Give Caesar what belongs to Caesar. That's all. Okay? That's all. So, natu ishiba ishimirandu shiri mukoti barepo ayo kulolekesha apo twalanda pofe pantu ama Zambians na chira mona pa social media yo president na chitanani na di broko ima president Edigar Lungu kuti aba broko ine shiri broko how president Lungu abe broko ine shiri broko na kwa taredi yomuina redi all over president Lungu. But politicians sometimes are useless. We are useless sometimes because we think with our egos, not our brains. The things which is happening in our country today, you can even see that they are not using their brains, they are using their egos. You can even see that. So bakapokola ubupuba bwesu former politician imwe muchulilemu. Why? And I've challenged the police. Give me one rally. Say Lusaka, Central, Copper Belt, Inefyeneka, not Atishan, Inefyeneka, and I will show you that UPND is nowhere to be seen because the people of Zambia, they have already decided.